Well, here we go. Question number 3. Now, the questions that have this orange dot with page 3, what that indicates is that if you're having trouble with this question, there's one just like it on page 3, and it's an example from the text, and they'll have the answers as well. So it might be helpful to look through that question if you're having trouble with this question. All right, so helpful hint. Pro tip. Now, letter A. What individuals does this data set describe? Well, it says here's a small part of the data set. Okay, so the class filled out this survey. We're only going to look at, 7 of them. Okay, but what does this describe? Well, it describes the AP students in this class. All right, there you go. What individuals does the data set describe? Yes, I got it. Okay, letter B. Carefully identify the variables which are quantitative. In what units are they measured? Okay, so we're going to look at quantitative, things you can measure. So height, homework, and pocket change are things that we can measure. Like gender, female or male, we're going to put it into a category. Okay, and what are the units? Well, they give you the units right here. The height is in inches, minutes for homework, and cents for the pocket change. And then it says, let's see, describe the individual in the highlighted row. Here we go. So this individual, who will remain anonymous, female, right-handed, 58 inches tall, 60 minutes on her homework. She likes alternative music and has 76 cents in her pocket. Boom, done. Now you may have gone to page 8 for the multiple choice and thought, I don't know what they're talking about. Well, the previous page has this data set. Now this data set comes from the Census Bureau, and they've contacted millions of households, but we've only randomly chosen 10 people from this big, huge data set. So these are the individuals in this little study, 10 people. Now the choice is, well, B, people. It doesn't say that they're adults, it just says people right in the question. So that's the answer for number 7. Number 8 wants to know, well, how many variables are we looking at? And of those variables, how many are categorical? Now you might jump to the conclusion that they all have numbers, right, except for one. And so we have 6 different variables and 1 is categorical. They're trying to trick you here. Gender, they've just assigned a number, like say maybe 1 for female and 2 for male. Now, you can't measure your maleness or femaleness. You either are male or you are female. So that is a categorical variable. So we have 6 variables, 2 of which are categorical. All right, and that is, looks like letter C. There you go, wango, done.